class we have a worksheet. This worksheet is about students perform different activities after school, and we will calculate the total time spent per students, and we will also calculate total time spent per activities, and we will also calculate the percentage of total time spent per activities. In this worksheet we will insert different types of charts. First of all, we will calculate the total time spent per students. For this purpose we will have to write the sum functions, and we will give a range from D8 to DH8. Press the enter button. Now we will apply autofill tool on the rest of the cells to calculate total time spent per students. Now we will apply the sum function, equal sign sum. We will give a range from D8 to D13. Press the enter button. Now apply the autofill tool on the rest of the cells to calculate the total time spent per activities. And student, we have percentage of total time spent per activities, and now we are going to apply different charts based on different datas. First of all, select the insert button. First of all, we will apply column and bar charts. Student, we can resize the size of the chart by this way, and you can adjust the chart on different locations. Now we will apply pie charts. For this purpose we will have to select the percentage data. Click on the insert button. We click on the pie chart. We have a pie chart. Student, we are going to apply line charts. For this purpose we will select the data, and we will click on the insert, and we will click on the line charts. We can resize the chart according to our requirement and adjust the chart. Student, we have different types of charts, and these charts are based on different datas. Thank you.